Wagwan man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we got a video from Fail Army, and this one is titled On Thin Ice, Epic Winter Moments and Frozen Fails Comp. And guys, if you live in any part of Northern America, whether it's Canada or any northern states, you know that some crazy shit happens when it gets icy or snowy outside. So we're just going to be reacting to that today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know if you've experienced anything that happens in this video. I'll see you guys later. Ow! I started off hot. What was the gold here? I mean the goal. I'm just like so confused. Oh shit, bro. You know how hard a water hose hits? Like, and it's in winter? That shit's probably hitting you like mini icicles. Oh shit. Oh shit. How is he supposed to stop? Did he throw his fish away? I'm not doing this. Not on no lake. Shit, that rocket was too powerful. Okay, that shit looks like it's gonna break. Oop. Pop goes the weasel. Yeah. I don't know if he was doing that on purpose, but bad idea. Oh no, silly goose. You need a new shovel, my boy.
What's happening? Somebody's tired.
That kid is just damn lazy. Oh no. No, no, no. I feel that. I mean, they did this for their experience. Oh no. Bro, you know how bad, dangerous that is that she stood in front of the train like that? Yeah, I get it. You want to see like the scene of it, but if there was like a solid frozen piece of snow or ice in there, you're getting fucked. Like, the fuck? Why would you stand it? Yo, my heart just dropped for him. Lucky we're... What is the chair gonna do? Better try and grab that shit and don't spin like a gig too. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit. Yo, the snow and the icy roads are so deadly, man. I don't leave the house if that happens. Man, I said let me do the splits. Quick. The boy them, yeah, you get what you get. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you lack it in these streets. Bro, there's no snow. Ow! Y'all know people are tobogganing and that's what you're doing. Yeah, you get what you give because I don't know why you're doing that. Yeah, I'm honestly trying to like, I'm questioning what people are thinking. This is Frozen. Yep, so. Mm-hmm. Honestly, that trampolines are injury waiting to happen. No, 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 no. Ow. Yeah, I see the shock on your face. Honestly, that looked kind of smooth. Ow. Bro, why people do shit like this? Well, that's cool that he has a rail in the back of his yard like that. Or her, whoever. The non-athletic community. Very stupid. Why the fuck would you do that? Crash landing. We got it. Yeah, this dog is trying to fuck you up. Mm-hmm. That nigga said, get off of me. No! Yeah, that sucks. Look like it took a little bit. Oh, this is Corvette. Hop in a mode, they slept. Yep. Continue. Mm. My boy thought he was cool. I didn't even know they had this stuff. Makes sense though. Don't crash, please, because you're going a little fast. Oh, okay. Bro, why are you doing this? Like, you're standing on like thin ice,
here in Tahoe.
which is illegal. Very illegal what he's doing. Don't.
You okay, buddy?
Nah, he alright. He good. He needs some milk though. How you at the airport and you don't have a shovel? Like, where the hell is this? Ow. Poor dog trying to see if you're good. Like, you alright, bro? Yo, these videos kill me when people are trying to push the bus. Like, y'all are not moving that shit. Like, I'm still stuck on what the fuck that guy was just trying to do. She's falling.
Actually crazy. Yes.
That's what you get. That's what I hate with ice skating. You see how the ice looks like crusty and shit, like from all the other skates? It's not a good experience. How did he perfectly stand there at the time when that was gonna happen? Ow! Oh, this nigga thought it was. They playing Frozen. Ow! Bro, if that shit was pointed, that could have stabbed him in the back of the neck. Okay. First of all, they're just trying to chill and have a good time. You're. Yeah, if you fell again, I'd die. Is that how you come out of these contraptions? Oh. Oh, he's doing it the wrong way. Bud, up and down.
Here's my parking garage. And here's my car.
How?
And here's the fan that the snow is coming through.
Oh, yeah, they
So
do
to
have
repeat
them under
that,
there. That's
I'm
unfortunate,
in a
bro.
parking garage, and my car is the one car in the whole parking garage
With snow on it. That's so funny.
that gets snowed on.
This must be Canada. Loki, I'm not waiting, I'm honking, I'm going. Y'all gonna have to speed this up. These are just ducks too, they're not even geese. You ain't hanging shit today, bro. Not today.
So here's Daddy chopping down our 2010 Christmas tree.
Why is he chopping it laying down? Yeah, I could have just told you from the start that that wasn't smart at all.
Go! Hide.
This dog don't give a fuck about the... Oh, this is for fishing, right? I was still confused on the earlier clip that was... Oh, yeah. Ow! He hit his shit on that hard. Shit, man.
Oh,
Damn, that's how fragile those things are? If I knew that, I would push through all of them. I'm not pushing no bus still. I actually, you never know. You probably want to get home. This man just slid down those stairs like it's a slide.
You want customers from ads much cheaper and to scale much further? Our software Hyros will do that for you, or you don't pay for it.
The worst ones are when you like slip. Oh fuck. Oh, the coffee. And he fell still. That's the start of a bad day. It's when you slip and you try to stand up, but they say work hard, smarter, not harder. Now, this kind of a little dangerous. I wonder how effective this shit is. I mean, it is moving that shit. Close your door. And we're still going. Yo! Why is it? Yo, why you have it in dry? Oh no. Chain reaction. What the fuck? Why'd you do that? You better hope that shit stops and not by the tree. Damn, that is lucky. No! Probably isn't broken. Probably good. Did my boy go out there to salt that shit? End up being the salt on the ground?
On your mark.
What's killing me is these people are not even reacting.
Go.
I will not be doing this. Honestly, you don't really see much black people doing shit like this. What is this? A slip and fall. Slip and slide. Whoever parked that bus over there, though, it got some real skill.
Ой, ебать! На! Ой, пизда, а он и дальше.
This is the problem when you live in places that are like full of hills and mountainous terrain. This van is taking everything with it.
Уходи, чувак!
Okay. I mean, that kind of looks cool. Maybe in slow motion. I don't think I would do that though.
I yell in that pool! I yell! We're not doing this.
I thought they were definitely hitting that shit. Bro, for what reason? Look at you with your big heavy ass. Like, what's wrong with this guy? No way you saw that going well for you. People are chasing their car like they're gonna grab the door and stop it. Like, let that shit go, man. That's it for you. Bro, why did I think... Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, no, it's rolling back in. Oh, no. Oh, okay, lucky. He's lucky. I love to see it. Stupidity. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Okay, you're trying not to hit. Was that a dog or a cat? Damn, that sucks. Guys, let me know if any of that has happened to you. For me personally, yes, walking on the sidewalk, I do slip and almost break my neck. And that shit is hilarious. And it can hurt. You can get some real whiplash from that. Don't forget to hit that like button, man. Hit that sub button. And I'll see you guys later.